If you want to train your core the right way, then you've got to stop doing things like crunches and sit-ups that flex and extend the spine. And the reason why is because those only target the muscles that run vertically across your stomach, the rectus abdominis. But if you want a stronger core, you actually need to work all these deep muscles right here that are real deep within inside your torso. And how you work those muscles is a little bit different than the way you would normally do core training. So instead of doing flexion and extension like this, what you really want to do is anti-rotation exercises. Now, what I mean by that is this. If you're holding your body still like this and somebody pushes against one side, you want to not allow the body to rotate. That's how we actually create stability in the core and even protect the lower back. Well, the good news is I've got 2 core moves that you can do in just 2 minutes a day to strengthen and stabilize your core muscles in a way that protects your lower back. The first one is the shoulder tap. And you're gonna do this on the back of a chair like this. Step your feet back, squeeze your glutes and tuck your pelvis and keep it like that the entire time, okay? Don't let your hips sag down or your butt to stick out like this. Now from there, press your hands down into the chair like this and turn your elbows down and turn those elbow pits up like this. And you'll feel these muscles right here start to activate, okay? Now in this position, slowly shift the weight to one hand and tap the opposite shoulder and go back and forth just like this as slowly as you can without letting your shoulders rotate or your hips and everything swing from side to side. And remember, the goal is to stay in one position, and now as we shift the weight to one hand, our body wants to rotate, but we're gonna resist that rotation to stabilize the core. Do 1 minute of shoulder taps, and then the second move you're gonna do, same position on the back of a chair, everything's the same, glutes tucked, everything's tight like this, and all we're gonna do is lift one knee as high as we can and come back down, and lift the other knee as high as we can and come back down. And just repeat this movement for 1 minute as well. So there you have it, a 2-minute core routine that you can do from home to strengthen and stabilize your core and make your whole body feel a whole lot better. Click the link below if you want to try a customized 10-minute routine that you can do from home.